Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Priscilla from Bronze, and today I'm going to be trying out the Brazilian Keratin by Novex. Before we get into the process, if you're not already subscribed to our channel, please subscribe below. Really appreciate it. And to find out how I got this sleek hair, keep watching. So this is my hair before I try out the Brazilian Keratin from Novex. Obviously my hair isn't naturally blonde, so all the bleach and the hot tools I use to make my hair curly or straight have damaged my hair. Normally my hair can be a little frizzy or look a little dry if I don't style it. So I'm hoping that after this treatment, it's gonna, come back to life. It's been about 3 days since I last washed my hair. I don't normally wash my hair every day, so I'm gonna start off with the Novex shampoo. So I just shampooed my hair and rinsed it out, and now I'm gonna put on the deep conditioning hair mask. It's a pretty big tub, you can get a lot of product. So I'm gonna put most of the product on the bottom of my hair since that's where the most damage is. So I think that pretty much covers all my hair. So I'm gonna leave this on for 15 minutes and then I'm gonna rinse it out and then I'll be back. So 15 minutes have passed and I've rinsed off the deep conditioning mask. I like that my hair doesn't feel heavy, it feels soft already. And so now I'm gonna continue with the styling spray leave-in conditioner and then blow dry my hair. So it's to apply this from the roots to the ends and that it can be used on damp or dry hair. So it doesn't come out like a spray. Let's see. It's more like cream, I would say. So I'm just gonna spray it on my hand and then apply it with my hands that way. I love that the comb is going straight through my hair, there's no tangles. So my hair is fully dried now. I'm not gonna straighten it with the straightener. I think it looks just fine blow dried how it is. So I'm loving how my hair turned out. It looks super sleek, smooth, soft, silky. I think it's a super affordable at-home treatment. I mean, you get this huge tub for less than $20. The other products are also under $20. And as opposed to going to the salon or even paying for a more expensive at-home treatment, I think it's a great alternative and it didn't take that long. You're able to do a 15-minute mask if you want or a 3-minute mask. You can also use a conditioner that it comes with daily. I'll definitely be including this in my daily hair care regimen with the conditioner and the 15-minute masks maybe like every 2 weeks. Like I said before, my hair is damaged from dyeing it, from the hot tools. So anything that promises to diminish the effects of that on my hair, I'm all for trying. I like that you're able to use the Brazilian Keratin on all hair types, whether you have straight or curly hair. Let us know in the comments below if you're interested in trying out this product. What other hair products do you guys use for your daily hair routine? Also, if you'd like to try out this product, we're actually gonna give away 2 little mini sizes of the deep conditioning hair mask. Just tag your friend down below, make sure you're both subscribe to our channel, and like this video, and you're entered. So you and your friend can win one. Make sure you're following us on social media at Bronze Blog, and thanks for watching.